guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all the beautiful things that I made from the Potomac bead box for January of 2023. They had contacted me and asked me to be a bead ambassador, and I kindly accepted. I was very excited. So once a month they send me a box, and this is the beautiful box they send it in, and it comes it's got a magnetic clasp and everything, and these are beautiful reusable boxes. So I get all these beautiful beads in there, and then I get to create things. So I have 2 tutorials that I put up for the month, and then I made a couple other things that I didn't do tutorials of. So I will show you. I will put the links below to the 2 tutorials that I made. This first one I made was this beautiful necklace. It's kind of like a choker. It's about 16 inches around, and I will put pictures up of everything. So I did this, and I used the bail, and I had a copper chain that was from my stash, and I also had thin copper jump rings that I intertwined, just dangling down. Then I used their Ava beads. They're 2-hole, and I put them in between there. Then I used their crystal bicones and their fire polish beads. And these were the Potomac pearls, and these black ones with a finish on them, where there's 2. And we also got the toggle clasp. So pretty much everything was from there. So I made this one, and I just listed this today on Etsy. So I'll leave the link below to that too, in case if anybody's interested in it. So that was the first one that I made. And then here was the earring tutorial that I made using the same, pretty much the same beads. I love the way these turned out. So just kind of boho inspired beads. Their beads are absolutely beautiful. And like I said, I'll leave a link below to their website if you're interested. In the box, this is from the Treasure Edition. So I have these earrings. Then I made these cute little earrings. And they gave us, let me grab these. They gave us these little head pins with the balls on them. And so what I did was I took it, I don't know if you can see, I put it up close, you can see I brought it, the ball pin, well, through the front, so the ball was in the front. Then I bended them up, and then I just twisted it around, and I made like a cute little wrap on it. So I like the way that turned out. So yeah, I made a couple cute little pairs of earrings out of these. And then the last thing that I created was I used my own little filigree pendant here, and then I wrapped, see, this is kind of the wrap without any beads on it. So I did a couple longer ones, a couple shorter ones, and used one of the Ava beads there. And what I did with the Ava bead was, let me move these out of the way here. I put one of these wires, I cut the ball pin off, the ball off of the top, and I made it kind of into a hoop, and then I just put a little hoop on each end so that I could dangle this from it. Then I have all of the beautiful Czech glass leaves, and then I used, what I did was I used these, but I took the balls off of them, and then I just attached them like this. And then at the top, I used just a lobster clasp, and then I added another thing here. So I have these, and the earrings, and I pretty much used everything out of the box except for there was one long strand of light blue beads that I haven't used yet, but what I'm doing is every month when I unbox, you know, and everything, I'm saving the beads, so if I want to add beads from like the month before to something that I'm creating, I'm doing that. So I'm trying to use just as much of the Potomac beads as possible when you create stuff. So yeah, so these are the things that I created, and yeah, like I said, I put this up on my Etsy store, and I'm going to be putting the other stuff up as well, but I just haven't gotten to it. I've been so busy creating that I haven't had time to work on my Etsy store. I don't know how many of you out there have a place where you sell your jewelry as well, but I do. And I will leave the link below to my Etsy store. I also have a Facebook page where I list a lot of my YouTube videos and stuff that I list on Etsy and stuff. So if you're interested, you could follow me on that. The link's below. My Pinterest, I do try and list on there maybe at least 3-4 times a week. I'm not really as good with that. And then I have my Instagram. I try and post there at least once a day. So yeah, if you're interested, you can go check me out on those social medias and follow me. And I hope you will subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because I am really trying to upload at least 4 times a week. That's one of my goals for 2023. I was taking care of my son who had surgery. It's been a long haul, but he's doing great now. So I'm getting more time back to myself again to be creating and working on my YouTube channel and my Etsy store and everything, and I would love it if you would follow me. So I will see you on my next video, and you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.